how to confirm the check-in and check-out details in hotels.com. Hi everybody and welcome back. In order to check that info on hotels.com today, we are providing you with a guide so you may follow out those steps for that. So we can head over to the hotels.com website for that and sign in into our account if we're not signed in. After that, we can go to our trips option. Usually in the top menu, we can find an option called trips. We can select that option to open up that page for trips. And there we'll be finding all of the trips here. We can select up a specific hotel reservation. And there we can view out the check-in date and something like this. And even check out date and time and hotel address and the booking details. That is one of the methods. Apart from that, if you have used email, you can go to gmail.com for that and open the booking confirmation email from the hotels.com. And there also you can cut for section for your date and time and location, everything. And you can also click view booking to open up the full details page. And most hotels listed on hotels.com have check-in around 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. and check out around 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. But always check your booking details because each hotel sets its own time. In that way, you should be able to check it out. And those are the steps you can follow for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.